In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a website as HTML in Wix. If you're trying to save a version of your Wix website as an HTML file, this process is very simple, but it's important to understand what you're actually saving. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps in a clear way so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, go to your Wix site dashboard and open the website you want to work with. Before you do anything else, make sure your site is published. This part matters because if the site is not published, you may not be able to open the live public version correctly, and that's the version you need for this method. So take a moment to check that everything is up to date, and then click the Publish button if needed. Once your site has been published successfully, open the live version of the site. You want to be on the actual public page, not just inside the Wix editor. This is important because the next step needs to be done from the live website itself. If your site opens in a new tab, that's perfect. If not, simply navigate to the live site after publishing. When you're on the live page, right-click anywhere on the page to open the browser menu. In that menu, look for the option that says Save As and click it. This will open the Save window on your computer, where you can choose the file name and the location where you want to save the pictures. In the Save window, check the file type or format option and change it to HTML if that option is available. Then choose the folder where you want the file to be saved and click Save. Your browser will then save the web page to your computer. One helpful thing to keep in mind is that this method saves the visible web page from your browser, so it may not function the same way as a full Wix project inside the editor. In other words, you're saving the page as it appears on the live site, which can be useful for offline viewing or keeping a copy of the page. That's all you need to do. Publish your Wix site, open the live version, right-click, choose Save As, switch the file type to HTML and save it to your computer. And that's how to export a website as HTML in Wix.